Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm discussing the return to our offices. So do we as employees and employers understand what needs to get done so we return to a safe working environment? Now we all need to know that the number one priority is the health and safety of our people. So first and foremost, all the offices, including production lines, admin offices, etc., need to go through a decontamination, what's called a deep clean, by skilled staff, and all the PPE used in that process needs to be thrown away. We then need to look at a risk analysis. So how are we going to maintain the level of cleanliness daily? We need to understand what are the high touch points within the offices, so surfaces that are touched often, and how those will be cleaned. We then need to, and this is so critical, we need to train our staff. So remember, this is new for everyone. So there needs to be rules of engagement. How do we deal with meeting rooms? Can we access it? How do we deal with communal spaces like your kitchens, etc.? So staff really needs to be trained. They need policies, procedures need to be put in place, and they also need to be shown exactly how to sanitize, how often to sanitize, what products to use, and the organization needs to make sure that they purchase the right products. So high alcohol content for your hard surfaces, and then also when you're looking at your walls and floors, that it contains a sufficient amount of bleach. You also would need to go through some sort of drill process. So if, for example, someone is known to have caught the virus, etc., how would you deal with that? How would you evacuate? What policies would you put in place? How would you check temperatures daily? So those are really very key, important elements that you need to look at. You also need to surround yourself with the right support systems in terms of gaining the knowledge you need and understanding what needs to get done. Unlike other risks to organizations, this is a risk that could affect a person's life, and therefore it needs to be taken with the level of seriousness that in fact it is, and people need to plan accordingly. So I hope this gives you some guidance as both the employer and the employee as to what to expect and also how to plan for our return to offices. Stay home and stay safe.